How to not get banned from dropshipping on eBay. Now, if you are a dropshipper on eBay and you don't want to get banned from eBay for your known or unknown mistakes, in this case, you should just simply open any of the browser that you use and search for eBay dropshipping rules or community guidelines. And after that, there will be a lot of articles from eBay what you should and should not do in eBay. Just simply open any of the link and read the article to know about the rules and guidelines for drop shipping. And after reading that, just simply follow through all of the rules that are set. And if you do not comply with the rules, your account or your drop shipping might get banned from eBay. So always be aware of the rules and you will be safe on eBay. I hope this video have been informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.